Hello, people. So, you know what? Of late, like I always do, I do a lot of reading. So, I was reading this book on palmistry, palmistry. So, did you know that square shaped fingers, fingers that are like square shaped, they tend to be very orderly, like they like to keep things at the correct place, and they are like very. There's a certain order like to whatever they do, and conversely, when someone has long pointed fingers, like as in those conical shaped fingers, so such people are very like they are dreamers, and they tend to be slightly on the messy side, but because they are always trying to get certain things done, like and they are apparently very artistic, that is the word. So I found it so fascinating. Yeah, just the shape of your fingers can kind of reveal something about a person's personality. So yeah, this is a crossed a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.